Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your phone or modem actually supports the carrier's 5G bands and aggregation. That's why speeds vary. Once done, make sure your plan and SIM are provisioned for 5G and that carrier settings and firmware are updated. Next, enable 5G and network settings, disable battery saver and aggressive power features, then reboot the device to register freshly on the best available cell. Doing those first avoids wasted troubleshooting later. Now you optimize the connection. Set the preferred network mode to 5G/NR with LTE fallback so your device picks the fastest available cell. Make targeted APN tweaks only if your carrier recommends them, and restrict background data for heavy apps so they don't steal bandwidth. Run controlled speed tests in several spots. Note time of day and band or cell ID if visible. If available, test with a second 5G device to isolate device versus network problems. Finish by maximizing the link. Position device near windows, use a 5G-capable router or external antenna if indoor signal is weak, and consider a small cell or repeater for consistent coverage. If one band performs better, use field test tools to lock that band temporarily to stabilize speed. Make sure to retest after each change. Troubleshooting tip. If speeds stay low, swap SIMs into a known good 5G device and contact the carrier with your.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.